Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about how to use 4 useful words for talking about weekend plans and activities. These words are going to, will, may, might, and shall. Let's begin with the key points. Quick revision. Conversation 1, weekend with a friend. Conversation 2, planning a picnic. Conversation 3, talking about the weather. Conversation 4, making offers politely, summary. Quick revision. Let's quickly remember when we use each word. Going to, for planned activities. I'm going to go to the party tonight. They're not going to travel this summer. Will, for predictions or quick decisions. It will rain later. I'll help you. May, might, when you're not sure. She may come. It might rain. Shall, to politely suggest or offer. Shall we eat now? Shall I help? Now let's use these in conversations. Conversation 1. Weekend with a friend.
What are you going to do this weekend, Tom?
I'm going to relax at home. I might watch a movie. Shall we watch it together?
Good idea. I will bring popcorn.
See how naturally Anna and Tom combined going to, might, shall, and will to plan their weekend. Conversation 2. Planning a picnic.
Shall we have a picnic on Saturday?
Good idea. The weather report says it will be sunny.
I might make sandwiches or salads. What are you going to bring?
I'm going to bring drinks.
Here, they combined all 4 words easily, making their weekend plans clear and polite. Conversation 3. Talking about the weather.
What are your weekend plans, John?
I'm going to go hiking, but it might rain.
Yes, I heard it will rain Saturday morning. Shall we check the weather again later?
Good idea. If it rains, I might just stay home.
Notice how Emma and John use might and will to talk about uncertain weather and shall to make a helpful suggestion. Conversation 4. Making offers politely.
I am going to cook dinner this weekend. Shall I cook for you too?
Thanks, Amy. I'll bring dessert.
Emmy offers politely using shall. Alex replies naturally with will to confirm a quick decision. Summary. Let's quickly review today's important points. Use going to first to tell your plans. Add might or may if you are not sure. Use will for quick decisions or predictions. Offer or suggest with shall. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.